Hey guys, what's up? It's Bernard here, and today I will be unboxing the LG Smart UHD TV. Thanks for all the support on my previous video where I did a tour on my PC gaming setup. I hope you enjoy this one too, guys. That's the LG Smart UHD TV. It's a 50-inch TV, which is pretty wide, which is pretty big and heavy as well. Let's get right into the unboxing. Now let's talk about the screen. It is flat, and then the 50 inches, as I said already, and then the resolution is in 4K with HDR, and then the maximum resolution is 3840 by 2160. That's 4K. And then, and talking about the weight and then the dimensions, we have the width, depth, and then the height to be 113 centimeters by 8.3 by 66.3 centimeters, and then the weight, it weighs 11.3 kilograms. Let me give you some quick 360 about this. Man, I think it's very beautiful. It's big, huge, you understand? Now let's go through the general characteristics of this TV. The brand is LG, of course, and the model is 50UN731C, and it's bivolt. There's full specifications. It is, of course, it is smart TV, and the number of nucleus, that's the processor, it's 4. The operating system is Web OS 5.0. Talking about the connectivity, it comes with 2 ports for USB and then 3 ports for HDMI. Wi-Fi integrated, of course, and then with Bluetooth and Ethernet. ProMark, be good. They have beautiful and quality shirts, being long sleeves, short sleeves, or even hoodie. You can get yours in the link in the description. So let's see. We got to do the configurations. Let's see, man, this is awesome, guys. What you think? Let's see here. Portuguese. Gotta change this. Time zone. So connected. So I connected the HDMI. Let's see. Alright, let's go to next. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. Silicon Insider. Let's get, wow, 5.8. That's that. You can pause it. LG is innovation, and this can be seen in each of its technological products, specially designed for the whole family to enjoy life more. Having an LG television is taking advantage of the highest quality on the market. With Smart TV 50UN731C, you will be able to access the apps where your favorite content is located. In addition, you can browse the web, interact on social networks, and play video games. The number of pixels it offers is 4 times greater than Full HD. The result, much more realistic scenes with an incredible level of detail. Now you will discover an immersive adventure that will not fail to surprise you. Talking about the sound, you feel that it is coming from every possible direction, which enriches the perception of this. The dialogue from your weekend series or the music of your favorite singers will take you on a different meaning. In addition to watching TV, its screen share function allows you to duplicate the screen of your smartphone, tablet, or PC to appear on your TV. In this way, you will be able to view all types of content, audiovisual, material, working, document, emails, and much more. Here comes the end of the unboxing of this beautiful TV. It is one of the purchases, man, that I must say I'm proud of. You know, it has a lot of functions, and if you enjoyed watching this, please do not forget to smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing and watch out for more interesting videos like this.